Many business owners struggle to manage their clients using Notion. In this video, I'll show how you can use Notion to organize important client information and maintain a readily accessible meeting schedule to ensure you never miss any deadlines. The great thing is, we'll only be using the free templates offered by Notion itself, along with some customizations. Hello, I am Tatiana, and welcome to Organize with Notion. Do you know how frustrating it is to spend a long time searching for customer information and not being able to find it? To avoid experiencing this situation again, you chose to organize everything in Notion. But when you made your first page, you didn't know what to write on that empty screen. To solve this, we will use Notion templates. These templates provide a pre-made starting point. I will use two templates from the Notion gallery that are available for free. The first template is the Sales CRM template, which will assist you in easily monitoring your sales funnel. The second template is for meetings. In this template, you will include important information to prepare for the meeting and take notes on important points during the meeting. We will link these two templates together so that you can easily and efficiently keep track of the meetings you need to have with each client. To start, import the Sales CRM template. In the sidebar, go to Templates. In the search bar, look for CRM. When you select Sales CRM, you will see a preview of the template. To make a copy, click on Get Template. Choose a theme space or add it to your personal pages. Here you can personalize this page by modifying the cover and icon. Here, you can keep track of potential sales and customer interactions. The initial view is categorized by status. Each status represents a different stage in your sales process. The first status is lead, followed by qualified, proposal, negotiation, and finally conclusion, which signifies that the deal is closed or lost. To modify these stages, click on the three dots in the database and then select Properties. In the Status property, you will find the existing stages. Click on the desired option and modify its name or color. To add new stages, click on the plus button and enter the name of the stage. To delete a stage, click on Delete. Next, we'll add a new client by following these steps. 1. Click on the New button. 2. Fill in the client's name in the page title. 3. Fill in the other properties. The account owner property can be used to assign the client to a team member. You can share this page with your team members so that each one has access to their own clients. Here is the link to a video on our channel that explains how to use Notion with your team members. In the status, you can change the stage where the client is in your sales funnel. By default, a new client starts as a lead, but you can change it anytime. Next, you can change the priority of this client by selecting low, medium, or high. Below, you can enter the name of the client's company and their estimated value. You can also provide other ways to contact the client, such as email and phone. Lastly, you can fill in the date of the last contact with the client and the estimated closing date. If you want to add more properties for your clients, click on Add Property. I will add a text property to include how this client found out about my work. You can add as many properties as you like, from text to links to a website address. To use the template, select the New Customer option on the page. There are a few sections on the client's page. In the first one, you can include general information about this client. In the Interaction History section, you can include all the contacts you have had with that client. Finally, use the Actions section to include quick tasks related to this client. The new client is currently in the lead stage on the status view. To move a client to a different stage as they progress through the sales funnel, simply drag them to the desired stage. Remember to update your page with any new information about your clients. Aside from the status view, There are other pre-existing views available. The All Records view shows all customers in a table format. The High Priority view only displays clients that have been marked as high priority, as indicated by the filter. In the Sum field, you can keep track of the total estimated value of clients with high priority. In the Estimated Value and 100K view, only customers with an estimated value above 100K are shown. You can see this in the filter that goes with this view. This lets you keep a close eye on your most profitable customers. The Sales CRM lets you track the customer's progress, but it doesn't provide an easy way to record meetings and contacts with the customer. That's why I'll use a meetings template from the Notion gallery. In the sidebar, I'll click on Templates, and in the search bar, I'll search for Meetings. To use the template, I'll click on Get Template. This database will help you organize your meetings, set agendas, and take notes. To add a new meeting, click on New. Give a title to the meeting and fill in the details such as event time, participants, and meeting type. You have different ways to see your meetings. The first one is a list view where you can see all your meetings. You can also see your meetings in a calendar. This is useful because it gives you a summary of your month or week. It's also easy to change the date of a meeting by dragging it to a new date. Besides the calendar, you can group your meetings by type. You can also see meetings related to you. This helps you focus on meetings you created or meetings you will participate in. Lastly, you can see all meetings in a table format using the All view. You can customize these views or create new ones. Notion offers different formats like tables, calendars, or timelines. To create a new view, click on Add View and customize it to your liking. We have two databases, a Sales CRM and a Meeting Scheduler. To make them even better, I will connect them. This will make it easier to access customer data during meetings or calls. In the Meetings database, I will click on the three dots and select Properties. In the New Property section, I will choose Relation as the type. Then, I will select the customer database as the Related to option. Next, I will rename the property to Client. I will also enable the option to display the client's meetings directly on their page in the Sales CRM. Finally, I will click on Add Relation. Now I'll help you create a template that will simplify the process of gathering information during client meetings. I will click on the arrow next to New and select New Template. The template will be named Client Meeting. For the meeting type, I will add a new option called Client. Next, I will create sections in the body of the page to take notes during the meeting. The first section will be for the meeting agenda. I will use /H1s to create a title for the agenda. Right below, I will use /divider to create a dividing line. Then I will list the topics for the meeting using a hyphen and a space. The next part is for taking notes. To duplicate the elements we made for the previous part, click on the 6 dots and then on Duplicate. After that, simply change the title of the section. I will do the same for the last section, which will be for supporting materials. To add a meeting for a client, click on New and select the desired client. Then, fill in the other fields such as date and meeting type. To use the template we just created, click on Client Meeting. You can simplify this process by using the calendar view. Just click on the date you want and fill in the client field. Please note that the field data is already filled. Next, click on Client Meeting to use the template. Here you will find all the information for this meeting. Prepare the agenda and use the notes section during the meeting. If you need more customer data, click on the client field to access detailed information for that client. Notion is a great tool to help you stay connected with your clients and easily keep track of important meetings and deadlines for your business. I hope this video has been useful to you and see you next time.